Good morning, Erin. Officials in Nashua and the state fire marshal's office are investigating after a person was exposed to high levels of carbon monoxide. Fire officials were performing a well-being check at 15 Hawthorne Village Road around 2 p.m. when they discovered the high readings. An unconscious person on the third floor had to be taken out of the building. Deputy Chief George Walker said the person was taken to the hospital in Boston. The victim's condition is classified as critical. The fire department has responded to two carbon monoxide incidents in less than 24 hours. The building at Hawthorne Village Road did not have detectors, according to the fire department. Reporting live here outside the building on 15 Hawthorne Village Road, I'm Riley King for WMUR News 9. Erin, back over to you.